Started.
Step up in the club looking hella dope. Got that blunt up in my mouth, bottle in my hand. Everybody hand raising to the roof. Nobody gonna get the party started right. Looking hella high when I walk with my shades on. Trying to catch me looking hella down. Now you funny, homie. Always keeping smiles on my face. Looking forward to the next girl that I meet. Gonna take her to the crib, let her know we're down to give to the hoes. Gonna pull a train, let her know I got the homie coming through in a minute. So step back before you get your shit whacked.
Motherfucker, chop you down like a white willow. Got drool on your pillow. Got a fine fellow, kill you like a jello. Then I'll go in like the color yellow. Can't understand? Motherfucker, take my hand. If you don't, I'll make a couple grand. Get the speakers, get beneath us. If you don't, then you best get your fucking sneakers and take off. If you don't smoke on the strawberry cough, get off and then I'll fucking golf. Get an eagle, a par 4. Motherfucker don't understand because us niggas ain't poor.
Taking swings left and right, letting homies know I'm here to fight. Put it on that back, got that 9mm strap to my back. I put it to your dome, got you looking hella scared.
As a matter of fact, you can't understand cause I'll smoke another sack with the fucking bat. Hit you in the face, show you where it's at, put you in your place, then I'll smoke another sack.
Lit to get ready, lacing my balls with them Oxycontin pills. Now I'm feeling on my knees, trying to figure out where the fuck I be at, knowing that my night's hella dope. Got these pills running through my mind, taking them straight to the brain. Let my brain go numb, let my body relax. Ready for the fight anytime I have to step up, cause I ain't scared. Yeah, I staring at 6'2", putting homies on the back, a lot taller. Trying to say they pull me down, now you're funny. You can never put a white boy in his place, cause he's always taking over, putting niggas on a tree, hanging them, setting them on fire like we used to do in the old days. Fucking nigga, put them in the pack, let them burn with the rest of his burning ass hoe niggas.
You sipping on the UV, the Hennessy, the Glee, or the fucking KD. Anyone, you're gonna get fucked up. Get the gun. If you don't, get the fuck up, son. If you don't, motherfucker never will. Take another pill, then I'll go in for the thrill. The water is still, you can't see, cause I'm fucking taking another cap of pills. Xanax bars going to Mars. Don't understand, cause I'm so fucking bizarre. Take the Vicodin, get up in, sipping on some gin, then I'm gonna win. Take a perk, motherfucker make you hurt, then I'll put your ass in the fucking dirt. Don't understand all these pills in my mind, motherfucker, I can't even stand.
Every day is a fucking trip. Everyone's always asking why there's a smile on my face. I tell them there ain't no time to frown. Always gotta look at the bright things in life. Move on, hit the fucking future. Let everyone know that the past is in the past. Fucking homie, going speeding down the highway, doing 90, throwing donuts at these fucking pigs.
Puffing on the stress, nothing less. Watch me flex. If I don't, you know what's next. Pull another gun, overhand right, do it for the fun, then I'm down to fight all night.
Putting homies on the back, cause they're thinking that they can handle the bottle. Took it straight to the head, now they're looking like a robot heading down the street with their jaw broken.
On the fucking mic, bitches!